in a lovely neighborhood in Whittier on Ronnet Drive. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, roughly around 1,900 square feet. Let's take a look.
So how many bedrooms is this?
So it's 4 bedrooms, 2 bath.
Okay.
As you can see, it definitely needs updating.
Right.
It has only been owned by one owner. She's lived here a long time, so
Okay.
you can see it's definitely built
Let's take a look.
from its original. The first one, you're gonna find a bedroom to your left. They all have good sized bedrooms. Looks like everything seems to be original wallpaper, original hardwood floors.
Right. Let's look at this
Okay.
living room here. Well, you could definitely tell that the living room's, from the 60s or so, 40s maybe. But it's nice and open, and I think you could probably knock all this down, open this up and extend that out. Okay. To give yourself more space, because it just looks like it's like real blocky in here. And what is this? This is like
This is like a patio den.
Gotcha.
A lot of the older homes used to have this. Or you could have it as a family room. There's plenty of storage space, as you can see.
Well, I like the opening here because it allows a lot of sunlight, so we can maybe even extend this area. We can maybe even extend this area out, just knock all those shelves out and kind of like upgrade it. Once again, you get the short ceilings here. You just lift it and make it all even all the way through. That'll be something to work on. How about the kitchen? How does the kitchen look over here? Wow. So we have an enclosed kitchen.
We have a traditional kitchen that was built back in the 50s. It is a good sized kitchen. Lots of potential. You can definitely open it up. You have your laundry room to the right. And then additional, it could be an office or...
Gotcha.
And there's another smaller bathroom here. Definitely needs updating, as you can see.
In this case, there is a bedroom on the back side of this kitchen, so we wouldn't be able to extend this kitchen out to kind of open it up. However, you can redo this kitchen, and we're going to be showing some pictures on how this kitchen, although it's a good mid-sized kitchen, we can still make it look a lot better. We do have old windows over there, and I think pretty nice window over there, updating the lighting, updating the whole kitchen. I think it'll make it really pop. But let's continue.
Okay. So if you were to open up all this, that would definitely open up your dining room or living room area.
Right. So we said that on the living room, we had a big block there. So this is part of the big block. So in what I would do in this property is pretty much just open up the whole thing, make it all open and spacious, because that big old block just takes up too much space there. And it's really not used for anything but storage. We could always find extra places for storage as well. Old school for sure. But we can always update that, and we'll show pictures on an updated rectangular long restroom. There's always ways where you can update these homes and make them look new. We do all this type of work, so if you're interested, there will be links below where you can DM us, direct message us, or also give us a call.
Here, the bedrooms are really good size. I do like they have lots of storage, big closets, so lots of storage.
Gotcha. Okay, well, let's run outside and see how the backyard is looking. So we did say that this opened up to the back, and you do get nice sunlight in here. However, there is a big tree right in the middle of your backyard. mean, there's something that maybe we can work around it, cut that tree out, take that tree out completely, just because it's right dead center of the backyard. But you do have a nice little open backyard here. Backyard space right now during the COVID time is very popular because families want to get together and want to be able to enjoy their time with their families. A lot of people are buying homes right now, not just to live in, but to spend time with their families, spend time with loved ones, and also use it as a workplace because of the COVID environment. People are just looking for not only a home, but basically a gym within the home, an office within the home, and a get-together place for the whole family. Once again, we often run a lot into these type of properties, and because of Nia, she's been able to get us in contact with these properties. Some of these properties are probate homes, some of them are regular listings, but she's able to get us in contact with these type of properties, and we've been able to turn these properties and make a nice substantial profit. Tell them a little bit more about the areas you cover.
I cover all of Los Angeles and Orange County. So if you guys are interested in finding a property, whether it be for personal or business use, down below you'll find my link.
Well guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Remember, if you like any of this information, please like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you get you get a notification every time we put out a video or every time we're looking at a different home. Till then guys, see you on the next one.